myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We were walking on moonlight and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. I woke up in tears with you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you
Ngiyakuthatha wena nkosinathi Emmanuel Mkhaya, ubambe ubungowami kusukela namuhla, kukuhle noma kukubi, sinothile noma simpofu, ekuguleni nasekuphileni, ngikuthande, ngikondle, ngikwazise ngokomyalo wenkosi, size sihlukaniswe ngokomthetho ongcwele kaNkulunkulu.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke.
Ngiyakuthatha wena Thandazile Zuma ube ngumngami womshado, ngikubamba ube ngowami kusukela namuhla, kubuhle noma kukubi, sinothile noma simpofu, ekuguleni nasekuphileni, ngikuthande, ngikondle, ngikwazise ngokomyalo wenkosi, size sehlukaniswe ngokufa ngokomthetho ongcwele kaNkulunkulu. Lesi yisifungo sami esinzulu.